Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is coming to you from our Collelie section. It is the first knife form we teach, so we're going to go through the form and application. But before we do that, I need you to go over to the boxes. Please click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day. Perform a thrust to an upward slash, a thrust to a downward slash, a thrust to a downward slash, thrust to a downward slash, thrust, slash, thrust, slash, thrust, slash, thrust, and slash. My opponent interrupts my upward thrust toward his body. I check his elbow and perform an upward slash from the abdomen. My opponent interrupts my horizontal thrust to the neck. I check his elbow and perform a downward slash to his forearm. My opponent interrupts my second horizontal slash to the neck. I check his leading elbow and perform a downward horizontal slash to his abdomen. My opponent interrupts my backhand thrust. I check his elbow and perform a downward slash to his forearm. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.